இங்க கவனிங்கடா. நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்? Today we are going to learn about in, on, under, near. In, on, under, near. Okay. Danshika Shri, stand up. Come here. Where is the chalk piece? Where is the chalk piece? In the box. Where is the chalk piece? Where is the chalk piece? The chalk piece is in the box. Okay da, thank you. Go to your place da. Vaishnavi, come. Where is the pen? Where is the pen da? Tamil le sollu theriyalena. Box உள்ள இருக்கா இல்ல மேல இருக்கு? இது என்னது? மேல இருக்கு. So the pen is on the box. The pen is where is the pen? The pen is on the box. Where is the pen stand? On the box. Pen stand is sound ah solluda. On the box. The pen stand is on the box. Okay. The bag is on the table. Adu okay. Where is the pen? Where is the pen? Where is the pen? Where is the pen, Dia? Where is the pen? Under the box. The pen is under the box. The pen is under the box. Where is the bag? Where is the bag? Where is the bag? Where is the bag? No. In na ulla, on na மேல, under na அடியில, இல்லையா? இப்போ இது bag எங்க இருக்கு? Where is the bag? மேல இருக்கு. Where is the bag?